to help in estimating or in the other way measurement of the operation by using these particular methods. One is known as the IS span. It's important. Usually asked in the exam. This is so many times in class. First one. Okay, by using the IS span. And second is by water budget method, and third is called by energy budget method, and last is by using the empirical formula. Empirical formulas, I think there are again two which was asked for the last exam. I think I remember the question number. There is one formula, Mayer's empirical formula, and again Rohr's. I think those who are question paper, I think I given to you know. Those people last 2020 question were Rohr's method, Rohr's formula. No, I have given you question paper, new question paper. If you look at the question paper, this one I am telling you, this is the December 2019 and January 2020. Come in. January 2020 paper. If you look the question number 3B in this. Question number 3B. What is that? Describe. See, look at what is the question is being asked. For 8 marks, describe how the estimation of evaporation is carried by Mayer's equation, Rohr's equation. And before that, there is also one more question being asked. What is evapotranspiration? And also the factors affecting evapotranspiration. It is there. Question this is there. The method of determining infiltration capacity using the double ring infiltrator method. I think those students who have taken, hey, don't talk as those students who have taken the IA1, IA2, IA3 questions with answers, it is there in that. Still I am going to explain here. Okay. Coming back to the first one, important. What is this PAN method? I can take some point, of course I will go to explain. Figure I am not going to give. Look at the estimation of evaporation. Come in and say, for the evaporation. Right. The following are the prominent methods of estimation of the evaporation loss on the surface of the large water body. You should take note. The following are the prominent. Prominent spelling you write. What is prominent? What is the prominent? What is the prominent? Important. The following are the prominent methods of estimation of evaporation. ಬರೀಪ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಯಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನೆ. The following are the prominent methods of estimation of evaporation loss. Estimation of the evaporation loss from surfaces of large water bodies. What do you mean by from large water bodies? What is by large water bodies? Then when the large water bodies are there, there should also be a small water bodies also should be there. What are small? What are big? Large? This is a small, chinna. This is large. Small pond, lake, right? Then ocean of big. Here the river, ocean, sea. Yes, these are large. These are small. Lakes, From surface of large water bodies. Right now, number one, list measurement using evaporation pans. I think I have written there. Measurement using evaporation pans. I have written IS pans. It's called the IS pans, Indian Standard Pan. Measurement using evaporation pans. 2. Measurement using evaporation pans. Use of empirical equations. That one I have done last. Use of empirical equations. Number 3. Water budget method. Number 4. Energy budget method. I think I have already written everything in the blackboard. That is water budget method. The last one, 4th, is energy budget method. First two are very important from the syllabus point of view. In the syllabus it has been mentioned. What is the syllabus I have mentioned? Anybody? Syllabus, I think the syllabus says the syllabus. Right now. Evaporation, don't write that. I am reading your syllabus, that also covered. Measurement of evaporation using IS class A pan. IS class A pan. IS class A pan. Same thing. What is this IS class A pan? What exactly it will standardize? I should just simply explain that. And this is a small standard IS pan having a dimension, of course. Very rough. You can take out the neat sketch from my notes. Okay. Something very rough I'm telling you. Okay. Come. Very rough to give the concept of this, I am giving this one. These are thermometers. PM. And this is spin. Swatch. And this particular pan, of course, very rough. You can take a neat sketch from my notes. Okay, neat sketch from the notes. I am going to explain you. Okay, then to draw that sketch only I require 1 hour. No, okay. What I am going to do after that? Nothing. That's what I am going to explain. What is exactly this event? And this is a pan having dimension of width of 1.22 meter and the breadth of 2 meter, whatever that. This particular thing 1.25. If I am right, I think so. I don't know. Some dimension. Again, this particular pan, note up. This particular pan having the dimension, it is kept near the water bodies, large water bodies, whatever that. It may be river or ocean or sea or whatever that. You want to measure, you want to know what could be the amount of evaporation, what exactly the water losses will take place. Then what they are going to do, this is a pan of dimension, and the water is being poured into this particular pan, ice pan. What is to be poured, that or not, you should know what evaporation is going to take place. Then here, this particular tank, this second tank where the water is being poured into it, then what is going to happen? Then there above the pan, above that particular water level, then they are going to place what? They are going to place screens. Why these screens are required? Screens. If you keep it open, then the birds will come and drink the water. Yes or no? Then you will not be knowing what exactly the evaporation has taken place. That's why to protect the water from the birds not to drink. Then they are keeping the perforated screens. What is that perforated? Why perforated? Why is it completely packed? Why perforated screens? What is the meaning of perforated screens? Anybody? Perforated. Heard about this, sir? What is perforated? They are visible. The water should be visible. Then and then only the evaporation takes place. Then and then only the evaporation takes place. Then the water level will be maintained. That or not? The water level and the temperature of the water is also. To measure the temperature of the water, thermometers are there. To maintain the water level, level tubes are being fixed. Understand or not? So this is arrangement being done. Then when the evaporation takes place, what is going to happen? The evaporation takes place because when this particular water is exposed to the sunlight. Correct or not? Solar radiations. Due to the solar radiation, then the evaporation takes place. What is going to happen? The water level decreases. Correct or not? The water level decreases. Then the decrease in the water level multiply by the Planck coefficient. That's what I said. This evaporation losses will be water, that is decrease in the water level, or the decrease in the water level multiplied by Planck coefficient. What is this? Planck coefficient K. That is going to give you the amount of evaporation losses in mm per day. So again, if the evaporation is so severe in a particular day only, the amount of water is being amount of water which is put into the tank completely goes. Then what you have to do? Then if you want to measure once again, you have to again put the water into that, again measure the original level of the water. So that will give you the difference in the water level before placing of the water, then after placing the water, after the evaporation take. You can take some points. Screen, that is, I am not going to give a sketch. Refer notes. Write it there. Sketch, refer my notes. Whose notes? Your notes. Okay, right, some points. The most reliable method, measurement by evaporation plant. First one, sketch you can take. You will get a sketch of this type. Anybody, those are who are referring my notes. The sketch is there. Have you seen notes? This particular sketch is there. You can copy it down. I cannot because it takes more time. Okay. Only I am going to tell that you write there. Refer notes for the sketch. I am not drawing. Without sketch, as if I am giving you notes, as if the notes is with you in front of you. The most reliable method for the estimation of the evaporation from the large water bodies. Shut up. No. The most reliable. What is reliable? भरोसेमंद. What a meaning. भरोसेमंद. आप लोग तो कोई भरोसेमंद नहीं है. 7th semester A and B division कोई भरोसेमंद आदमी नहीं है. भरोसेमंद नहीं है मतलब meaning in English you are not reliable. Why you are not reliable? For every question there is an answer. Why you are not reliable? Mr. Raj is there. You better go to Mantralaya and sit there. Somebody will come and worship you. Attend me. Why are you not reliable? Example. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आपको, आप बोले ना, आप सब लोग भरोसेमंद क्यों नहीं हैं? नहीं, सिखाया नहीं, दिखाया. What do you think? Shall I tell the right answer? I think principal must have also told this thing. What is the mistake done by you? What is the mistake done by you? Where? I don't know. Where?